Here are some French tips that can complete your classic nail arts. The classic French manicure is always in style. To create a French tip design, apply a light color base using a white or another contrasting color. Paint the tips of your nails. You can use nail guides or tape to help you achieve a straight line. Finish with a clear top coat to seal the design. Today it's all about the creativity and beauty that can be achieved through stunning nail art. Whether you are an enthusiast looking to experiment with new designs or a professional nail artist looking for inspiration, this exploration of gorgeous nail art designs will take you on a journey through intricate patterns, beautiful colors and breathtaking designs that can elevate your style to a next level. Instead of the traditional white tip, people are experimenting with various colors, metallic accents and even glitter for a chic and stylish look. If you want to draw stickers and decals on your nails, use these tips. If freehand designs feel daunting, you can use stickers, nail decals or water decals for easy and intricate designs. Simply apply them following the manufacturer's instructions for a professional look without the hassle. Beautiful floral designs are always in season, whether it's delicate roses, vibrant sunflowers or abstract wildflowers. Floral nail art adds a touch of femininity and grace. Once you have completed your nail art design and it's dry, apply a clear top coat to protect your design and give it a glossy finish. The top coat also helps to prolong the life of your manicure. Nail designs are a part of fashion and style. They can complement your outfit, create a theme, or set a trend. Staying updated on current nail design trends can be an enjoyable way to stay connected with fashion and keep your daily life interesting. Nail art, like any art form, requires practice and patience. Don't be discouraged if your initial attempts are not perfect. Once you have completed your nail art design and it's dry, apply a clear top coat to protect your design. To fuel your creativity, look for inspiration in various sources. The way we look can greatly affect our self-confidence. Having beautifully designed nails can make you feel more put together and confident in yourself.